Welcome to Utopia Towels. Our kitchen towels include 6 black and 6 white dobby weave towels. Made with dobby weave, our kitchen towels are known to be durable and hold up against multiple washes while remaining absorbent. They come in black and white color with an exciting pattern which lights up your home. Made with 100% cotton fabric and natural materials, these towels possess breathable characteristics which make them perfect for cleaning purposes. Help fight deforestation and move over to an economical substitute to paper towels and chemical cleaners. These highly absorbent and quick-drying towels are the ideal solution to your household spills and kitchen mess whilst remaining soft on your hands. They are the perfect cooking companion. Our kitchen towels are machine washable and can be tumble dried on low. Wash separately on first use on a gentle cycle to minimize lint. Complete your household needs with this set of kitchen towels.